This is the color of golden laser. A professional tube laser provider. Next, I'm going to show you the world's largest professional wide coverage tube and wire to store for exhibition. And I'm going to show our booth. Let's go. You can see this hall 6. Actually, we located in this hall, and the booth number is E14. Let's go. But I was not here the past. It's our booth. Let's take you to the right. You can see this big machine is called Mega 3. It can the 12 meters loading system and the 12 unloading system. Each single tube we can bury max the 1.2 tons, and also every like round tubes or square tubes, all kinds of tubes. This load system can all fit. So under this trucks, you can see we have 3 trucks. Each trucks has the diameter range from 20 to 350, and also we can customize for bigger. And you can see these samples we cut on the display here. So next, I'm going to show you our control system. This system is a high-gammon PA controller system. It's a CNC bus control, and you can see the floor closed. It's a protection for our optical detection. And this controller system can seamlessly connect to the mesh system. So for most manufacturers, it's very useful. This is our golden laser team. Let's say hello.
Hello, welcome to Tube&Wire.
So welcome to inquiry. If you have any needs or your requirement, please feel free. Thank you.